Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, I'm currently going through bankruptcy, but I've got some new debts that I can't pay. They're legal fees. What can I do? Can I go bankrupt again? And if I do, would that wipe out these legal fees? So the underlying principle here is that a bankruptcy covers and deals with the debts incurred being the key word, up until the date of someone's bankruptcy. That person is responsible and remains responsible for paying all debts from their date of bankruptcy onwards. Now in this case, this person has incurred some legal fees after the date of their bankruptcy. So if they can't pay them, these are not considered debts of the bankrupt estate. Now yes, if they can't pay them and there's no other options available, yes, they can go bankrupt again. You can have two or more concurrent bankruptcies, that is two or more bankruptcies for one person running at the same time. It's not very common, it's not even very ideal, but yes, that is something that can be done. Would the second bankruptcy wipe out or deal with or cause those legal fees to not be payable? Yes, those new legal fees would be debts in the second bankrupt estate, and they would be treated like every other debt in the bankrupt estate, or in bankrupt estates generally, which means that people cannot enforce payment. The remedy for the creditor then is to deal with the bankruptcy trustee and lodge a proof of debt and claim in the bankrupt estate.